In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book flights on Booking.com. Whether you're using the website or the mobile app, the flow is very similar. Keep in mind that flight booking on Booking.com is tied to their flight search tool and may be available only in certain regions or accounts, so the layout and options you see could vary slightly. Start by opening Booking.com on your phone or in your browser. From the home page or the main menu, look for the flights option and tap or click it. If you don't see it right away, it may be tucked into a top navigation bar or a menu icon. Having your travel documents handy will make the next steps faster. Enter your trip details by selecting your departure city or airport and your arrival city or airport. Choose your travel dates and whether you want a one-way, round trip, or, if available, a multi-city itinerary. Add the number of travelers. If your dates are flexible, you can often adjust filters later to spot better fares. When everything looks right, start your search. You'll see a list of available flights. Use filters to narrow things down by the number of stops, preferred airlines, departure or arrival times, and price. Open the flight details to review baggage rules, fare types, and layover information. Some low-cost fares may not include a checked bag or even a standard carry-on, so check what's included. Also, glance at change or cancellation terms so you know how flexible the ticket is. When you've found the option that suits you, select it. Next, enter passenger details exactly as they appear on the traveler's government-issued ID. Type the full name, the date of birth, and for international trips, the passport or national ID number if requested. Provide a contact phone number and email so the airline and Booking.com can send confirmations and any schedule updates. Double-check spelling and numbers carefully to avoid issues at the airport. You may be offered extras such as seat selection, baggage upgrades, or travel insurance. Add any that you want, or simply skip them and continue. Pay attention to costs here, as these can change the total price. Before you pay, review everything one more time. Flight route and times, passenger information, included and optional extras, and the final price. Confirm that time zones and dates match your plans. Then, enter your payment details and submit. After payment, you should receive a confirmation email with your booking or e-ticket. If it doesn't appear, check your spam folder or your Booking.com account. Keep that confirmation handy, as it often includes the airline reference you'll use for check-in. Safe travels.